Hello, welcome to Accounting Hub. I'm Professor George Scarpin, PhD in accounting, and our topic today is time value of money, future value. We have four videos about time value of money. We have present value, future value, annuities, and amortization schedule. The other three videos, they are in our video description, okay? So first of all, what is time value of money? A dollar or any other currency received today is worth more than a dollar or any other currency received in the future. Invested money earns income over time. And we have three factors affecting the time value of money. The first one, principal amount of the investment or borrowing. It can be a single lump sum, a lot of money at the beginning, or a lot of money at the end of the period, or annuity, a small sum of money over the period. And then the second one, number of periods, length of time from beginning of investment or borrowing until termination. How long will be your series? And the interest rate, annual percentage earned on the investment. It can be simple interest only on principal amount. Usually we don't work with simple interest or compound interest assumes all interest earned will remain invested at the same interest rate. That is the one that we work on time value of money. Okay? So guys, let's work with our Excel file. We have very nice numbers over there. What do we have here? Let me zoom it a little bit more. Better. So guys, as you already know, all our Excel files, they are free. And the link to download it is in our video description. And here we have the four videos. Present value, we have here. Future value, annuities, and amortization schedule. Okay? So assume you want to invest money for a college fund. For you, for your kids, and so on. Option one, $30,000 lump sum investment in 15 years at an interest rate of 6%. Option two, so let's go with the option one, and then we go to option two. So option one, lump sum investment here at the beginning of our period, $30,000, period 15 years, so we have 15 years here. Interest rate 6%. How much money will I have after the 15th year? So let's do it. How do we find the future value formula? So let's go formula, insert function here, and let's change it to our financial. That is the one that we have. FV, future value. Okay. What do we have? Rate, 6%. B8. Number of period, 15 years. What is the difference between PMT and PV? PMT is option two. I will invest money at the end of each year. That is our annuities. So annuities for Excel, they call it PMT. And also for a lot of financial calculators, they also call it PMT. And the PV is the lump sum at the beginning of our period, negative 30. And why negative 30? Because PV and FV, they always have the opposite sign out. So if we don't use uh, a negative number here, our answer will be negative. Okay? Type, leave it blank. We will talk about it on the option 2. Okay? Because it only makes sense for annuities. And here we will have at the end of 15th year, $71.8 thousand. Let's compare with the second option and check which one will we be investing. Option 2, 3,500 at the end of each year for 15 years at an interest rate of 6%. 3,500 for 15 years. How much will I have at the end of the 15th year? Future value, let's go, the same formula, future value. Okay. Rate 6%. Period 15 years. No PMT now, nothing here at the beginning. Or sorry, PMT. PMT is negative 35. Also the same. Future value and present values and annuity, they have negative signs. Okay, so PMT negative. If we have an initial investment, it would also be negative. Okay, and type blank or nothing. If our first investment or first payment is at the end of the first period, that is our case and most of them. Number one, we would write number one here if the first 3,500 is at the beginning of the first year. Okay, so leave it blank and we will have 81. So now option two is much better. But let's change our option one here. Instead of 30, that's $35,000. Oops. Wow, we have a small mistake here. Insert function, FB, rate 6, number of period 15, no PMT, and the future value. Let's not take this one, but this one here. Oh, if I invest 35, then the option one would be more interesting. Your Excel file is already right, okay? So here, let's change our lump sum here, 30. So with 30, option 2 is better than option 1. Okay, guys, so thank you so much. Subscribe our channel, like our video. And if you have questions or comments, leave it here or email me at jscarping@gmail.com. Have a very nice day and God bless you.